French Fry Lab. Let's give you some directions so then you can effectively get through the lab. Each group will have a lab tray. The lab tray will contain a ruler, a scalpel, a small board on which to use the scalpel, 3 plastic condiment containers, a weigh boat, a 100 ml beaker and a Sharpie. You will also have some salt capsules. Your teacher will have the French fry cutter at the top of the room. The first thing you need to do is label up the 3 condiment cups. Label one with 0.0% salt, 0.6% salt and 3.5% salt. Then label the lids of each with your group number and the period number. Once you have labelled those, you must make up the solutions. In the 0% salt solution, just place 100 ml of water using the beaker to measure the 100 ml. In the 0.6% solution, use 100 ml of water to which you've added 1 salt packet. For the 3.5% solution, add 100 ml of water with 5 salt packets. Stir around or shake gently in order to distribute the salt and allow it to dissolve. Your teacher will have cut the potatoes using the French fry cutter. You need only use the inside of the potato, which will be rectangular columns in shape. Collect the potato, bring it to your desk. Using the ceramic plate, the scalpel and the ruler, cut the appropriately sized pieces of potato, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. You need to cut 3 of each. Once you have cut 3 of each, place them on the pieces of tape so as not to get them confused. The next step is to find the mass of each piece of potato. In order to do this, you will use a mass balance. Place the plastic weigh boat on the top of the mass balance and press the 0 button. This has the effect of making the mass of the weigh boat disappear. Next step is to place the piece of potato in the balance and record the reading. This will be your mass before you added it to the solution. Please repeat this for each of your solutions. Measure the mass of the 3 centimeter, the 4 centimeter and the 5 centimeter piece, and then place those 3 pieces in the 0% solution and do the same for the other pieces of potato and the other pieces of solution. And the final result will be that you will have 3 condiments beakers, each containing 100 ml of the labeled solution and 3 pieces of potato. Bring those condiments to your teacher, who will place them in a safe place overnight. When you return to the lab on day 1 next week, you will, using your fingers, scoop out the 3 pieces of potato. Lay them on the lid, just let them drain momentarily. Now you have to find the mass of each piece of potato. Using the mass balance, again zeroing the mass balance as directed, find the mass of the 3 centimeter, the 4 centimeter and the 5 centimeter piece. You will have already filled in this column, mass before. When you return, you will be adding the mass after. So these columns will be filled in. That completes the directions. Please read through carefully, work effectively as a group, and complete your lab.